In this guide, I'll show you how to quickly find old emails in Gmail using simple search tricks that most people don't know. First, open Gmail and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, click on the search bar at the top. This is where all the magic happens. Now, type before, followed by a specific date. For example, before the 2nd of February 2024. This will show you all emails that were received before that date, helping you instantly find older emails. Another method you can use is the older, then filter. Simply type older, then 1M for emails older than 1 month, or older than 1Y for emails older than 1 year. As soon as you press enter, Gmail will filter and display those older emails for you. This is especially useful if your inbox is crowded and you want to quickly find emails from the past without scrolling endlessly. And that's it. Now you know how to easily find old emails in Gmail using these powerful search filters.